I've been a PMU artist for over 4 years with thousands of clientele around the world. Having the autonomy and flexibility in this career is the most rewarding thing possible.
This industry is evolving so fast. There are always new techniques coming out, but if you don't have a strong foundation, you will always face the same struggles.
Throughout our teaching experience, we notice a lot of students struggling with color retention or producing really great healed work when it comes to eyeliner.
When I first started, not a lot of places offered training for eyeliner technique. If the course was great, the work was not inspiring, and if the work was inspiring, the course was lacking in detail. There are so many technical components involved when creating a beautiful eyeliner tattoo.
That is why building an online course was important for us because it makes learning flexible towards your own goals.
With our course, you will build a strong fundamental base and boost your knowledge with our extensive experience that we share with you.
Through the wealth of our experience and expertise, we give you all our tips and secrets. We want to elevate your knowledge, and we want you to succeed. It can literally change your life.
In this course, you will learn what other students are struggling with and so much more.
Our online course is made from our mistakes that have turned into such a great tips and trick that you cannot find anywhere else but here with us.
There's a ton of content and lots of great tips. I can't wait for you to dive in.